Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hello everyone, how are you? Happy New Year! Welcome to my first video of 2023. I'm very happy to be here with you because I have a full face of makeup using products that I received in the past beauty mystery boxes. So I have the Goss and the Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm also going to supplement with products that I purchased from Cult Beauty that I showed in my last haul of 2022. But yeah, if you are excited about this, just stay tuned. And before we are starting, I'm actually going to give a shout out to the company Karativa. I have been working with them last year. They are a unique luxury and customizable jewelry brand. They help customer customize their own jewelry, and the prices are very competitive. They have earrings, necklaces, rings, bracelets, pendants, so yeah, all those good stuff. And I was checking right now on the website, they have the New Year sale up to 60% discount, and they also have on top a 20% discount. First of all, I want to show the packaging that I thought it has been improved from last year because now they are sustainable. Inside we have a leaflet, and here it's written, "Thank you, we are always here." Inside you have a cloth to polish your jewelry. So here you have a greeting card that you can offer to someone. At Karativa, customer satisfaction is one of the most important aspects of our business, and we hope you to be 100% satisfied with your purchase. And everything it's inside of this drawer type of a packaging. First of all, I picked up this pair of earrings. So I thought I'm going to wear them, but when I've seen them, I was convinced that they are going to be perfect for my little daughter. I hope she will stay to model them. I didn't show them yet to her, but they are absolutely gorgeous. They are dainty, beautiful. So I will put on the screen the exact name of the earrings, but there is it right here. And then we have this set of rings. So we have the smaller one, which is like a infinity ring, and have this one. So you can wear them alone if you want so, or you can wear them together. So I love the way they look together, and this is the way that I'm going to wear them. And actually on this hand I have another ring from Karativa. They sent me this last year. I'm going to see if they still have it on the website. I'm going to link it also because I love this ring. I wear it all the time. I believe this is size 7.5 or 8 US because this is 7. So this doesn't fit on this, on the middle finger. And as well as the pendant. They sent it last year. Yeah, you guys, so this is everything that I wanted to share with you from Karativa. I'm going to have all the information down below in my description box. Thank you again, Karativa, for sending me those products. And now let's go ahead and see how I achieved this makeup look. I have already applied my primer by Tarte, and also because I do not have a new foundation, I have been digging in my drawer and found this Lancome. This is the Tan Idol Ultra Stick in the shade 010 Beige Porcelain, or in USA it's Ivoire 1110. And I remember I bought this during summer and it was looking a bit too light for me, and also has a slight pink undertone, but I can make it work for sure for winter. And I have applied this with my sponge, with my, I think this is from AOA Studio sponge, and also I have added my eyeshadow primer. So this is everything I have done before. And don't ask me why I keep the packaging for the foundation because I have no explanation. Now I'm going to go with my new concealer from Charlotte Tilbury, the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. I have mine in the shade Fair number 4. It has a slight peach undertone, peach yellow undertone, but it's working good for me. So I'm going to go a bit down, and what has left around my mouth. And I think I should, prior to that, I should add some lip gloss because I look like a ghost. I have been also putting foundation. It's better. This is by Rare Beauty. Yeah, it's not too much, but at least I have some shine and some idea that I have lips. I'm going to use my Sonia G Jumbo Worker brush to set my concealer. I have recorded a video where I'm using my new Sonia G Brushes, the Fusion Eye brushes, but I wasn't in one of my best days. I was using a cream shadow. Also, I use this brush for concealer. I use it for contour. I think also for highlighter. So this is very multitasking brush. I absolutely love it. We have the concealer on. Now I'm going to use this setting powder by Charlotte. I'm not sure if I should use it also for my face. Maybe I should. Okay, but first I'm going to use it for my under eye area. You already saw the haul, and I was telling you that I love the packaging. I'm going to use this Sonia G brush from the set Hinoki. Alright, I think it looks good. Maybe I should scoot you a bit. Not too much because we don't want to get too close. I'm going to use now this Saie natural cream bronzer in the shade light bronze. But oh my god, you guys, you get 30 ml of product. This is a hell lot of product for a cream bronzer. So this, it will last you ages. And I'm going to use my Sonia G Jumbo base. I like to use this with cream products, especially with cream bronzers. Maybe you want to me, I can swatch it, but I have better swatches on my haul video, so I'm going to link that if you want to refer. Yeah, it's a bit warm. I would prefer to grab a cooler shade because I'm more learning to that during winter, but there is nothing wrong with the product. It's just wrong with the user or who pick it, and I cannot blame anyone else but me. But oh my god, you guys, this blends like a dream. Oh, I never thought about this. But now that I'm seeing in the mirror, my skin, my forehead looks nice. I'm that person that when I'm doing my makeup on camera, sometimes I find that I'm not perfectly blending my edges here because all of the lights, and I don't have a very big mirror in front of me, but I can tell that this is blended. So this, guys, this is foolproof, I would say. Very happy. I might get another color because it's not very pricey, but the problem is that it's almost all the time sold out at Cult Beauty, so this is the only place I can purchase this product. Oh my god, you guys, oh, I love it. Now I'm going to need a brush. Okay, I'm going to use this one by Referral. Even though this is a bronzer brush, I'm going to use it for my powder. Let's move on to the eyes. Today we are going to play with the Goss, the Luxury Eye Palette in the shade Amber. But those palettes are very difficult to open. So I'm going to play with this shadow all over the lid because it's, as I mentioned, my favorite shadow, and I'm going to use those shades on my transition area. The only eye brush that I have from Goss is the brush number 17. I'm even not sure if it's still on stock because this is from the old collection, but I'm going to use it today. And also I grabbed a bunch of brushes from Referral and from Sonia G. Guys, I forgot to mention about the brows. In case that you are wondering, I have already added this brow power by It Cosmetics in the shade Universal Taupe. I'm working to finish it, but it's a hell lot of product, and this was a travel size product. I love it. I want to say that shadows perform really well. The mattes are blending like a dream. And for my lid, first I have used the shimmery shade alone. That is a topper shade, so when I have just used it on my bare lid, it's not showing up so well, and I also had to use the setting spray to make it pop. But for my left eye, I have used first this shade, which is like a satin finish, and adding the shimmery toppy shade on top, it makes a whole lot difference. So I would recommend using that with a base underneath if you want to get the full potential of that shadow, because otherwise it will not pop. It's just a topper shade. And now I want to use a liner from Goss and line my eyes. I'm going to use the tiger eye. It looks like it's black, but the actual color is here, so it's a copper shade. The liner is very creamy. I'm going to smudge that a bit with a Sonia G detail brush. Alright, now I'm going to use the other shade, the hazel one, in my waterline, because this one we already used on my eye, so I don't want to put that shimmer on my waterline. If you want to use on your waterline a liner, it's better to sharpen it. So this is the hazel, and you have the color here, it's like a brown, dark brown shade. This applies very nice. I never seen a liner to be so pigmented. Mr. Wayne, you did it. I love it. And also looks nice with my eyes. So what I'm going to do out camera, I'm going to curl my lashes, apply my RMS mascara, have my lunch, and after that I will come back to finish the face. I'm back 2 hours later actually, but this is good because I got some time to check and see that foundation wears very well with or underneath this setting powder. So this is good, not only for the under eye area but also for the face. I'm very happy the way that everything has married together. But at the end I'm going to use this setting spray, which we know by now that it's amazing. I have a face palette also from Goss. It's also coming delivered in this packaging. I just remove it, but I remember that it has even more difficulties to be open. So where is my tool? Here. So yeah, if he can make this package or ask for this package to be slightly better. I have this Sonia G Hinoki fan brush, which is perfect for this kind of thing. I love the shade. It's a neutral peachy, but it has some maybe terracotta things, I would say. But it's very subtle, and I see that it blends beautifully. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to add bronzer. Maybe I will. So I brought this Tarte. I don't have a new one, which is not cream. I have 2 cream contours, so I am a bit on that wagon. So I'm going to use a bit of this on my temples with my Sonia G Jumbo Bronzer. And returning to the Goss, I'm going to take this Referral 20 brush and this generous size of highlighter. It's almost surreal, the shade. It's absolutely beautiful. I remember when I swatched it that I was impressed with the quality of the sheen. So all his shadows are tested on more mature skin, so they are age friendly or mature skin friendly. Of course, they work for all kind of ages. And now for the final step, I'm going to take care of my lips. So I have 2 lip liners because one of them was dupe, so I put it aside. I want to use this cinnamon if I can find it. Ooh, that's gorgeous. And for the lipstick, I have 2 new lipsticks to try. So is this one from the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to swatch them because I do not even remember the colors. I think it will go great with this lip liner. And this one from the Goss, it's in the shade Pecan, or Pecan, I think. Okay, you know what? I'm going to try both. This works absolutely wonderful with the cinnamon shade. And I'm usually not liking this kind of shades on me, but I don't know, there is something about this shade. Alright, so this is the lip combo number 1. This is the medium nude. This is not so visible on me. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Walk of a Star. Alright, I had to retouch it a bit, but yeah, this is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Now let me know which one is your favorite. I forgot to add the setting spray. Yes, I'm loving this. I love the way that my skin looks after I've applied this. There you have it. This is my full face of makeup, trying new products that I recently purchased on my mystery beauty boxes from Goss and Charlotte Tilbury. Actually, this was a requested video, so thank you to whomever requested that, because I think I have had more requests about trying those products in my upcoming videos. So I will say that everything I've tried today, it's great. I haven't found any that love the powder. I was not thinking that I'm going to enjoy using this on my face. I mostly purchase it for my under eye area, because for my face I use a loose setting powder. I'm oily girl and I need more help on that chapter, but this has done a really great job, and it also blurred the pores. Maybe I will touch a bit. Really love it. I'm going to continue to use it. And of course, love the concealer and love all the Goss products that I've tried. The eyeshadow perform beautiful, blush, the highlighter, and yeah, I'm very excited with all those products that I've tried today. And don't forget to check Karativa. I will have their website linked down below in my description box. Those being said, I don't want to take much out of your busy time. I want to wish you all a wonderful year ahead, a healthy and happy, prosperous 2023. And stay tuned, because I have very exciting upcoming videos. So don't forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile. Do you think I forgot about that? I didn't, but I wanted to give it a break for the past videos. Yeah, so don't forget about that, and I'm going to see you soon with another video. Bye bye!